Thinking about refinancing your loan? Here are 3 benefits you can't afford to miss. I'm Jeff Fullick, mortgage broker at Mortgage Choice West Pennant Hills. Number 1, lower interest rates. Refinancing can reduce your monthly repayments, saving you thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Number 2, debt consolidation. Combine your high interest debts with one manageable monthly payment, simplifying your finances. And number 3, access to equity. Tap into your home's equity for renovations, investments, or other financial needs. So if you're interested in any of these options, contact me for a complimentary conversation about how we can help you improve your financial situation. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'm Jeff Fullick from Mortgage Choice West Pennant Hills. Contact us and remember, you'll never be alone.